Hey everyone, if you're ready to take your business to the next level or start your very own online store, I've got some exciting news for you. I've teamed up with Shopify to bring you an exclusive deal that makes it easier than ever to launch your store and start selling online. Right now, by clicking the link in the description below, you'll unlock the best offer available for Shopify. As of today, this exclusive link gives you the first 3 months for just $1 per month. That's right, just $1 per month for the first 3 months with no promo code needed. Simply click the link and the deal will automatically apply when you sign up. If you've been thinking about starting your own e-commerce business, there's no better time than now. With this deal, you can explore Shopify's powerful features without any major upfront costs. Whether you're looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Shopify has everything you need to set up a professional store and start making sales. For those of you watching this during a full review or tutorial, remember to click the link in the description below. Not only will you get a free trial, but you'll also be able to take advantage of this exclusive offer, which will make getting started with Shopify even easier and more affordable. Shopify is one of the most popular platforms out there for a reason. It's user-friendly, customizable, and packed with features to help you grow your business. From creating a beautiful online store to handling payments, inventory, and customer support, Shopify provides all the tools you need to succeed. But remember, this offer is updated regularly to make sure you get the best deal available. So make sure to click the link below and lock in this amazing deal before it's gone. Get started today with Shopify, take advantage of this exclusive offer, and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.